Hi, today we're going to talk to you how to execute the drag mute strum. Like that. Here's how you do the drag mute strum sequence. Take the index finger, tap on the top string, bounce, execute the drag on all the string, then followed by thumb on string number 1 and mute the string with a palm on the sound hole. Then use the index finger to do upstroke on all the string and then strum downwards to complete the cycle. So let's watch again. Tap the top string, apply the drag on the first string with the thumb, mute it with your palm at the sound hole, then do the up with the index finger and then down with the rest of the finger. So it's like that's how it sounds. Okay, today we're going to talk about the timing of the drag mute strum. So this is how you do the timing. When you tap the top string, there is 1, the drag is 2, the thumb is not counted, then the palm comes in, is number 3, and then you follow by the upstroke, is not counted, and the downstroke 4. So again, 1, top string, drag, 2, thumb is ignore, the palm is beat number 3, then upstroke is ignore, downstroke is 4. So it comes like that. It's indeed 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Yellow bird up high on a banana tree.